Hello everyone. Today is August 22nd, 2024. It's Thursday and welcome to Unday Radar Talks. GeoVax Labs stock traded 21.6 million shares on Wednesday, with a turnover rate of 484%, which is significantly higher than the previous trading day, and the stock price has risen by 47%, indicating that the capital that has driven the stock price surge has not yet exited the market, and the stock price may rise further. Data shows that the daily short-selling ratio of the stock was 11.4% on August 19th, while the daily short-selling ratios on August 20th and 21st were both below 9%. The decline in the short-selling ratio reflects that the high of $11.18 created by the stock on August 19th may not be the top, which seems to be reflected in the change of its trading volume, because the $10 level does not generate too much trading volume. In fact, most of the trading volume of the stock is still concentrated below $5.34. After the close of August 21st, the volume between $5.34 and $8.35 increased a bit, but it was too dispersed, so it did not look like the distribution pattern of capital exiting the market. The reason for the small volume on August 20th may be that there were not many buyers and sellers, but the stock price did not fall below the key support level of $5.34. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the net capital outflow amount of the stock on August 16th was $1.3 million, but the total transaction volume on that day was $646 million, which shows that due to the surge in stock prices, a large amount of funds that had previously entered the market were cashed out, but there was also a lot of capital flowing into the market. It was these capitals that drove the subsequent stock price increase, and most of the transaction prices were at or below $5.34. So the stock price found support at this position after the correction. The stock had a net capital outflow of $15 million on August 19th, with a total transaction volume of $394 million on that day, indicating that a large amount of capital was cashed out at a high level again. But the volume distribution on that day was too dispersed, and there were still a large number of orders in the area below $8.30, which can be seen from the 15-minute chart of the stock, which is not shown here. However, after the close of August 21st, its stock price returned to this position and capital net inflow of $8 million, indicating that the capital that drove the stock price surge has not yet exited the market and may have adopted a strategy of selling high and buying low. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that most of the current positions of the stock are below $5.34. The rebound of the stock price at this position on August 21st proved to be a solid bottom. As mentioned earlier, the position distribution between $5.34 and $8.30 is relatively dispersed, so it is not a signal of capital exit. Then, if the stock price continues to rise, we need to focus on the $10 level. The data gives a resistance level of $9.76, but I don't agree. I think the stock price may break through the previous $11.18 level to $12, so that the capital that entered the market at the $8.30 level will have considerable profit space. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. As I mentioned earlier, my target price is $12. Of course, this target price may also be a high valuation, because if the capital that entered the market at the $5.34 level chooses to cash out around $10, then the stock price may have to retreat before it reaches $12. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for GeoVax Labs stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks later. See you in the next video.